What's up guys, this is Joey with Low and Slow Barbecue, and today we're going to be making outside-in cheeseburgers or inside-out cheeseburgers. Check it out. The first thing we're going to do is gather all of our ingredients and supplies. So that's going to be 2 pounds of lean ground beef, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, a dash of that salt and pepper that we love so much, a half a tablespoon of barbecue seasoning, and now 1 tablespoon of mesquite seasoning. Now that gives it a really nice savory blend and really good flavor on that meat. So that 2 pounds of lean ground beef is going to make 4-ounce patties. Now you should have 8 of those. Those 4-ounce patties, you want to take them and put that Laughing Cow cheese on the middle of them and then kind of form it into a ball and put it back into a patty size. And that is going to be that creamy cheese wedge inside of it. It's going to melt. And that's how you're going to get the outside-in cheeseburger. Because typically you put the cheese on top of the burger, but today we're going to put it on the inside. And when we get done making them up, we're going to toss them on this bad boy right here and get it rolling. We've already got the temperature set at 250 degrees. We got some smoke tubes going. We're ready to rock and roll, guys. It's going to be great. Okay, so we've already added all the seasoning to our meat, and right now we're measuring out the patties at 4 ounces each. Now we're going to add this cheese on the inside of it. Alright guys, so we have all of our patties set up right here. They're seasoned just like we want them. And we're going to put them on the grill. We're going to cook these bad boys into temp. And one of the other things we want to check out is we've got this Therm Pro. And this is a thermometer or temperature gauge. We're just going to stick it right in that meat. And we've already set it to ground beef on here. And that's 160 degrees. You can tell one of them's already at 100, the other one's at 75, and we're gonna let this guy go until temp. Right, so these guys had just come off the grill. We set them in here. I'm gonna check them out. Look at that cheese, man. That bad boy is looking good. Well, that's it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed that outside-in cheeseburger. It was amazing, guys. I had such a great time cooking it, such a great time eating it. Actually, was even better than cooking it. If you like the content that you saw here today, like and subscribe, share with your friends, and as always, keep it low and slow, guys. We'll be seeing you.